I use the Aladtec system to schedule EMTs with Regions EMS at the St. Paul Saints, a minor league baseball team. Their season is 25 to 30 games that run from mid-April through the end of August. Some of the challenges that are presented by doing special events such as the Saints schedule are a variety of schedules, day games, night games. There's also a whole lot of schedule changing that goes on with our staff. All they got to do is put out a trade request, and then I have to approve it, and off they go.
Within the Aladtec system, we go in, we select that we want to trade or get rid of the shift altogether, and then it goes out for supervisor approval. Somebody can pick it up, and then from there we get email notification back that says our shift's been filled.
One of the things that works out really well for me with the Aladtec system is I get notifications on my cell phone that there's been a change or a change request or a trade. Frequently I'm not at the office for those, and I'm able to just address it on my laptop and take care of things right at home just as easily as I can in the office. The Saints actually scheduled a kind of last-minute concert. We had to schedule 8 people on short notice, and Aladtec allowed me to notify them all and get it filled in very short notice. The advantage of the mobile app allows the employees to access their schedules anytime, anywhere. If there's an issue, if there's other problems at the site or even off-duty, they can contact us anytime they need to. The Aladtec system provides me with a great tool for being able to schedule and saves me a ton of time on having to recontact and reshuffle schedules, and it's a dynamite tool for taking care of the scheduling issues, especially for a special event such as the Saints.